Problem 71. Karen reads at the rate of 60 pages per day. Martina reads 25% more pages per day than Karen. If the two students begin 1,500-page reading assignments on the same day, how many days sooner will Martina complete the assignment than Karen? To solve this problem, you need first determine the rate at which Martina reads in pages per day using the rate at which Karen reads. Next, determine the number of days it will take each person to complete the 1,500-page reading assignment.